I'm standing back, right back.
Yeah, I would.
Me and Kira just over here, so don't run it.
You ready?
Wait till Mickey's goes out.
Are you game, Jason?
Almost done.
Whoa, that's right. You chicken shit.
Anyway, that's how quick it was. Happy Australia Day. Yeah. Oh, that was awesome.
That's the best one we've had in a while, Carly.
Alright, how do you stop this?
Oh, you just push the big button.
Hang around.
Yeah, well, I've got to hang around.
Gotta put
Get
it
it
down.
onto the ground quickly.
Get it.
Go.
Oh my god.
Now.
Oh my god. Carly, oh my god, let it go.
Fuck me.
Run! Clear out. Here.
Put the hose right there.
Armageddon.
It's not going to do anything.
Armageddon.
Oh my god.
We're all dead. Come on, do something.
It's going to explode. Cover your eyes.
Don't think it's gonna work.
Success. Now get it out because it will burn the horribleness of the